Addition and subtraction word problems. Match the picture word problems to the correct number of sentences, and the first one is done for you. So when we look at the first one, the pictures show that total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means the 3 of the blue ones, so subtract 3. So that should is equation. Okay, number 2. We have a total of 5 birds, but 3 of them flew away, so we subtract 3. And that equation will be the last one, 5 minus 3, which will be 2. Okay, number 3. How many butterflies are there in all? So in all means we have to add, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies over here, plus 1, 2, 3. So we have to do 4 plus 3, and it will be the first one, so which is 7. How many dogs are left? So we have to subtract to find the numbers. So we have total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have to subtract 2. So it will be 6 minus 2, and 4 dogs are left. Next, last one. What is the total number of the owls? So total means we have to add. So first we have 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll be 2 plus 5, and it'll be, so the total number of owls will be 7. Next one, addition and subtraction word problems. Match picture word problems to the correct number sentences. So we're gonna do the same thing. So number 1, how many turtles are there in all? So in all means addition, right? So we have 2 over here and 2 over here, right? So it'll be 2 plus 2, which will be 4. Number 2, how many birds are left? So we have to find the left one, so it'll be subtraction. So we have a total of 7 birds, but 3 of them flew away, so we have to subtract 3. And 7 minus 3 will be 4. So it will be 7 minus 3, which will be 4. Number 3, how many dogs are there in all? So we have to add. So we have 2 white dogs and 1 brown dog. So 2 plus 1 will be 3 in all. How many cats are left? So we have total of 5 cats, but 2 of them ran away, so we have to subtract 2 from 5. And 5 minus 2 will be 3. Last one, what is the total number of the mice? So we have 3 and then 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. Okay, next page. Circle the correct questions and number sentences for the word problems. The first one is done for you. So let's look at the first one. Okay. So number 1 is asking 10 ladybugs were in the garden and 5 ladybugs left. So we have to choose either this one or this one, and this one or this one. So left means we have to subtract, right? So it'll be subtraction. Okay, number 2. 11 beetles were on the log and 3 more beetles came along. So we had 11 beetles, but 3 more came along. So we have to find the total number. So it'll be how many beetles were there in all with the addition. Number 3, 8 ants were on the watermelon and 7 more ants were on the ground. So more means we have to add the 2 numbers. So it would be how many ants were there in all with the 8 plus 7, which is 15. Last one, 12 bees were at the hive and 3 bees flew away. So there were a total of 12, but 3 of them flew away, so we have to subtract 3. And 12 minus 3 will be 9. So we have to choose how many bees were left with this equation. Okay, last one. Read and solve the word problems. Remember the addition and subtraction clue word. Number 1, kids built 6 snowmen. Later they built 5 more snowmen. How many snowmen were there all together? So we have to add. First there were 6, and then we have to add 5 more snowmen, which will be 11. Number 2, there were 11 heads and there were 4 scarps. How many more heads were there? So we have to subtract to know that one. So 11 minus 4, which will be 7 more heads than scarf. Next one, there were 4 leaves at the top of the hill and 6 leaves were at the bottom of the hill. How many was the total? What is the total number of slits? So we have to add to find the total number. So 4 plus 6 will be 10 total. Last one, there were 11 cups of hot chocolate. The 5 kids drank 5 cups. How many cups of hot chocolate were left? So we have to subtract. 11 minus 5 will be 6. So 6 cups.